Hello everybody, welcome to Step Up Lives. This video is going to help you with how you can convert your long videos quickly into short videos, making individual clips, adding subtitles, as well as getting all the frames and layouts just in one click. You will not believe that wizard.ai is such an AI tool that will help you create very simple vertical videos for your Instagram as well as YouTube shorts. If you screen on the scene, the video that is taken from the long video gets instantly 10 clips with the focus on the speaker itself. You will not be able to do it with editing as well as so much of hard work with the AI, with auto frame as well as auto subtitles. If you quickly just look down, you will have a lot of vertical videos with different frame layouts, individuals as well as one by one below each other. You can get these clips for free. You can try out the link in the description of wizard.ai. I have created a lot of clips from my channel's long podcast. For example, I interviewed a student at Odin School and she shared her experience, and I have created all of them into vertical videos. You can clearly see with subtitles as well as different layouts, and this helps you grab a lot of attention and move your traffic from long videos, short videos, and together. So it's a very useful tool. In this video, I'll quickly give you an overview that how you can convert all of your long videos into short videos by just one click. Such an intelligent AI tool wizard.ai is. You will find the link in the description. Let me just give you an overview before we continue. If you want to really sign up, it's a very simple option. I will already signed up, so I could just click on the sign in link and use Google to sign up. And once I sign in, I will find the complete dashboard of things that I've already created, or you can upload a YouTube video or a video from your drive itself. It's very simple. Just in few clicks you will be able to reach there. Once you have reached here, you will find that there is a clear dashboard for your side where you can actually upload a local file and get it cut into clips. I'll just show you an example of this, that how you can do it very easily. Here is your workspace and your complete details. If I just click on the projects, I will find a demo project here. If I click on this project, you will find that this is a long form video which can be converted into just clips by a click of a button of AI. This is a demo project, so you will find out all the clips that are listed down. Just let's wait for a moment. You just saw on your screen that it has actually cut the video into the vertical form and also added subtitles. I will just show you. If I just click on this one here, you will find, and in fact it is actually giving us the vertical layout as well, and that is very good. Yeah, this was a podcast which has been cut into the different orientations, and you can see that it has also filtered it into the transcripts and sections. These sections can easily be modified so that you can create more valuable clips. The best advantage of this one is that it actually reads your text and actually creates a lot of content that can be created for the short form videos. So this could be a great help to you. You should definitely consider this as an option to convert your long form videos into short form, and you will be able to download it. There will be a small watermark, but it is very easy. Maybe you could just put a label on it or try it out for free and then maybe take the premium option as well, because this is very helpful in today's world. Vertical videos are the thing forward, and you will be able to see that it has given very good subtitles. It has the complete podcast that I had shown you into small clips. For example, if you just click on this video, you will find this is very simple and it's completely, you can see it here. So this is a very good video if you're able to repurpose your content into long form to short form. This is a very good idea. If you're doing podcast long videos, then definitely consider checking this video out, as well as the links are given in the description.